Hi, happy Sunday everybody. I thought I'd do a really quick live for you and just show you how I'm taking our brownie pan and getting ready for Valentine's Day by making heart-shaped brownies. Okay, so for those of you that have your brownie pan, let me show you how you can make this. All right. If you take a look down here, what you're going to need is your brownie pan. You're going to need some of these muffin liners. I have these left over from last year. You're going to need some foil and of course brownies. All right, and then look what you do is you just take a little strip of foil and you're just going to put it in a little ball and make sure that you have your liners in, and then just pour your brownie batter in, and then I'm just going to bake those, and at the end, if you can tell, look at that guys, it's going to make little brownie or heart-shaped brownies. So I thought that would be a little fun to show you. I'll post a link below of what it looks like in the end. So if you have a brownie pan, that's a really cute idea for you guys to use. And if you don't have a brownie pan, get an order in now. I have an order going in very soon, so message me and I'll add an order for a brownie pan. And whenever someone orders a brownie pan from me, I give a mini, let me grab one. Ooh, hot stove. It's a little mini, sorry, can't do this in reverse, mini nylon spatula. It would be the black color because this is from the kids' cooking kit, but it would be exactly like this in black that I give, and it makes it easy for you to take out your brownies out of your brownie pan. And don't forget, brownie pan is for more than just brownies. I have all sorts of recipes. I have a whole ebook that I also send you when you order a brownie pan. So lots of great ideas, including mini lasagna. So hey Barbara, I'm just going live really quick tonight. Barbara, I'm showing how I'm making some heart-shaped brownies for Valentine's Day. So there you go. There's a little trick with the brownie pan. Put a little ball of foil in, and you'll get heart-shaped brownies with that square. So anyways, I'm just gonna pop those in the oven now, and I'll share a picture with you guys when it's done. Bye.